Operating system (OS). Operating system is an interface between computer hardware and user. It is responsible for the management of activities and the sharing of the computer resources. Operating system is divided into two parts. Shell, it accepts instructions from user and instructs kernel to perform further operations. Kernel, it accepts instructions from shell and instructs hardware devices to perform operations. Functions of operating system. Process management. The operating system takes care of the allotment of CPU time to different processes. It can create and delete processes. It also provides mechanism for communication among processes. This deals with management of the Central Processing Unit (CPU). This is known as scheduling, memory management. The CPU and the I/O devices interact with the memory. When a program needs to be executed, it is loaded onto the main memory till the execution is complete. Thereafter, that memory space is freed and is available for other programs. The common memory management techniques used by the operating system are partitioning and virtual memory. Operating system allocates and deallocates memory to different softwares. File management, it manages storage, retrieval, naming, sharing, and protection of files. It also manages the files, folders and directory systems on a computer. The file manager of the operating system helps to create, edit, copy, allocate memory to the file. Device management, the operating system communicates with hardware and the attached devices and maintains a balance between them and the CPU. This is all the more important because the CPU processing speed is much higher than that of I/O devices. It is responsible allocation and deallocation of the hardware devices to different programs. In order to optimize the CPU time, the operating system employs two techniques: buffering and spooling. I/O system management, it takes care of allocation and deallocation of input-output devices to different programs. Types of operating system. Operating system can be classified into the following types. Single-user OS, it is used on a standalone single computer for performing a single task. Operating systems for personal computers, PC, are single-user OS. Single-user OS are simple operating system designed to manage one task at a time. MS-DOS is an example of single-user OS. Multi-user OS is used in many computers or mainframes that allow same data and applications to be accessed by multiple users at the same time. The users can also communicate with each other. Example: Linux and Unix OS. Multiprocessing OS have two or more processors for a single running process. Processing takes place in parallel and is also called parallel processing. Linux, example, Unix and Windows 7 OS. Time-sharing operating system, it allows execution of more than one tasks or processes concurrently. For this, the processor time is divided amongst different tasks. This division of time is also called time sharing. Example: Windows 95, real-time operating system. It is a multitasking operating system designed for real-time applications like robotics. Distributed operating system. On a network, data is stored and processed on multiple locations. The distributed operating system is used on networks as it allows shared data files to be accessed from any machine on the network in a transparent manner.